Okay, lads. So what I want you to do is get access to this TG Solutions book. So I've posted the link in the Microsoft Teams. So all you need to do is click in here. And when you're getting onto this, all right, what you need to do is to click in to register for this TG Solutions free trial. So you click in here to register. You're going to fill in all your details here. And you say that you're a student and all the rest, and you complete the registration. Now, when that happens, you will have your book here. All right, so what you can do is click into it. So I have the sample because I still haven't fully registered. So what you have is all of these solutions here. Okay, so you can click here for the full list of the topics and you're going into transformation geometry. So what I want you to do is flick in transformation geometry and we're going to start doing some of the exam questions there. Okay,